Andre, channel known as Houseway. Together I'm going to be putting together an AR 300 Blackout, majority made out of Aero Precision parts. What I'm going to be adding to this particular gun, I did purchase the Daniel Defense spec color stock, as well as the mil spec color hand grip. In addition to what I'm going to be adding as far as the charger is the Radeon Raptor SD charger that I'm going to be adding to this gun. The muzzle device I'm going to be adding is called the Kayak Valley Precision muzzle device. Basically, what this muzzle device mainly supposed to do is project your actual fireball or your gas towards the front or away from you as you're shooting. I did read about that, you know, it doesn't really help as far as keeping your gun from rising as you are shooting, but I decided to give this a try. As far as the lower receiver parts, I'm going to be adding the Strike Industry lower receiver parts, ambidextrol as far as the safety switch for both sides as well. As far as the handgun guard, I'm going to be adding a 15-inch Aero Precision, which is called a Atlas R1 handrail. So that's pretty much like a matte finish on this handrail, Picatinny M-Lock handrail. I did get the matching set of the Aero Precision as the upper and the actual lower matching set for this particular gun. Basically, what I want to try to see how this is going to work out with that set screw at the bottom is to see if you would take out some of the routing, you know, some of your builds, how you build and you got that router in your gun. So hopefully this will eliminate some of that router. My last gun I built was a majority part that was built from I would say Spike Tactical, and majority of the part that was in that was from BCM. Let me continue on. But anyway, the pistol length gas tube I'm going to be adding in here that has a, I think they call it a mid-length midnight finish on there. So that pistol length finish I'm going to be adding. As far as the barrel, it's a 16-inch barrel with a 1-to-7 twist 300 Blackout pistol length barrel for this particular gun that I'm going to be adding. In addition to the bolt carrier group is also from Aero Precision. The actual bolt in there, that instead of that's I think a 154, that's actually a 9310 bolt. So we'll see how that work out. That's tolerant to like supposed to be like mil spec specification. Also, as far as the trigger, this is a 2-stage trigger from Stern Defense. I decided to give them a try. I like to try out different triggers on my gun, so I always just see how each trigger feels. As far as the pull, the first stage is a 2-stage pull, and then the second stage is a 4-stage pull, make it a total 6-stage pull trigger on this here. It did come with a green spring, where it allows you to have a little lesser as far as the pull, but it's not recommended if you're doing a pistol build that you add the green spring in this for this particular build. As far as the gas block, this is also Aero Precision gas block that I'll be adding to this particular gun. The buffer tool as well would be Aero Precision buffer tool, standard buffer tool. I'm gonna see how this gun fires once I get it about built. See if I need to add any heavier buffer tube. See if I have any particular cycle power. But anyway, once I get this built, I will let you guys see it and see how the actual gun come out. Thank you for listening to me, Andre.